The American dream often includes a large house with a white picket fence. This image has been ingrained in our minds for generations, symbolizing success, stability, and a place to call our own. However, as times change, so do our dreams and aspirations. The traditional notion of a large home is being challenged by a new wave of thinking. But what if true freedom lies in a smaller footprint? What if the key to a fulfilling life isn't in the size of our homes, but in the quality of our experiences and the freedom to live life on our own terms? This is the essence of the tiny house movement, which is rapidly gaining popularity across the globe. The tiny house movement is gaining momentum, and it's not just about minimalist living, it's about redefining what it means to live well. People are discovering that living in a smaller space can lead to a richer, more meaningful life. It's about making conscious choices that align with our values and priorities. It's about unlocking financial opportunities and achieving financial freedom faster. By reducing housing costs, individuals can free up resources to invest in their future, whether that's through savings, investments, or starting a new business. The financial benefits of tiny living are substantial and can lead to a more secure and prosperous future. Imagine a life with lower living expenses, more disposable income, and the ability to pursue your passions. With fewer financial burdens, you can focus on what truly matters to you, whether that's spending time with loved ones, traveling the world, or pursuing a hobby or career that brings you joy. That's the promise of tiny living. It's about creating a lifestyle that prioritizes experiences over possessions and freedom over material wealth. Tiny homes offer a path to financial independence by significantly reducing housing costs, which are typically the largest expense for most people. This reduction in expenses can have a profound impact on your overall financial health, allowing you to build a nest egg, pay off debt, and achieve your financial goals more quickly. This shift in spending allows individuals and families to allocate more money towards savings, investments, and experiences. By living in a tiny home, you can redirect your financial resources towards building a secure future, whether that's through retirement savings, education funds, or investment opportunities. The financial benefits are undeniable, but the emotional and lifestyle benefits are equally compelling. Living in a tiny home encourages a simpler, more intentional way of life. It fosters a sense of community, as tiny house communities often bring people together in ways that traditional neighborhoods do not. We will explore how downsizing to a tiny home can fuel financial freedom and investment growth. From reducing stress to increasing happiness, the benefits of tiny living are far-reaching. We'll delve into the cost benefits, the freedom it offers, and how it can be a stepping stone to a brighter financial future. By examining the financial aspects of tiny living, we can see how it provides a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Whether you're seeking financial stability, the flexibility to travel, or the opportunity to pursue your passions, tiny living might be the key to unlocking your dreams. It's about creating a life that is rich in experiences, relationships, and personal fulfillment. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the big dreams that can come from living in a small home. One of the most significant advantages of tiny living is the drastic reduction in living expenses. Smaller spaces mean lower utility bills and maintenance costs. Think about it: less square footage to heat and cool, fewer lights to power, and less space to furnish. The minimalist lifestyle often associated with tiny living further amplifies these savings. With less space for material possessions, you'll naturally spend less on unnecessary purchases. This shift in mindset allows you to focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth, rather than material wealth. Tiny homes offer a level of mobility that traditional homes simply can't match. Tiny homes are built on wheels, allowing you to easily relocate for work, family, or simply a change of scenery. This mobility opens up a world of possibilities for financial and lifestyle flexibility. Imagine being able to move closer to a higher-paying job market, relocate to a more affordable area, or even travel the country while working remotely. This newfound freedom can lead to increased earning potential, reduced living expenses, and a richer, more fulfilling life. The savings generated by tiny living can be redirected into various long-term investments, accelerating your path to financial freedom. By choosing to live in a smaller, more efficient space, you can significantly reduce your living expenses. This reduction in costs can free up a substantial amount of money that can be strategically invested to build wealth over time. Instead of pouring money into a large mortgage, you can invest in stocks, which offer the potential for high returns over the long term. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and as the company grows, so does the value of your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are a more stable investment, providing regular interest payments and returning the principal at maturity. Real estate investments can also be lucrative, offering rental income and property appreciation. Alternatively, you might choose to invest in your own business, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Consider this. The median home price in the United States is over $400,000. This substantial amount often requires a significant down payment and results in high monthly mortgage payments, which can strain your finances. A tiny home can cost a fraction of that. This lower cost means you can avoid taking on a large mortgage and the associated financial stress. That's a potential savings can be invested and grow over time. Imagine the possibilities of what you could do with that extra money. You could diversify your investment portfolio, ensuring a balanced mix of assets to protect against market volatility. Even if you choose to finance your tiny home, the monthly payments will likely be significantly lower than a traditional mortgage, freeing up more cash flow for investments. Lower monthly payments mean you can allocate more funds towards your financial goals, whether that's saving for retirement, funding your children's education, or building an emergency fund. By redirecting your savings into smart investments, you can create a more secure financial future. The key is to start early and remain consistent with your investment strategy. Over time, the power of compound interest will work in your favor, helping your investments grow exponentially. So, take the first step towards financial freedom by considering the benefits of tiny living and the potential it holds for your financial well-being. Section 5. Tiny House, Big Returns. Your home as a profitable asset. While traditional homes are often seen as appreciating assets, tiny houses can also be profitable investments. They can generate rental income, appreciate in value, and offer a unique opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio. Many tiny homeowners rent out their homes on platforms like Airbnb, generating passive income to supplement their earnings or cover their living expenses. Additionally, the demand for tiny homes is increasing, leading to potential appreciation in resale value, especially for well-maintained and desirable models. Section 6. The Financial Freedom Formula, Tiny Living, Big Investments, Bright Future. Tiny living isn't just about downsizing your home, it's about upscaling your financial future. By combining the cost savings of tiny living with smart investments, you can achieve financial freedom faster and create a life of abundance and opportunity. Imagine being debt-free, owning your time, and having the resources to pursue your passions without financial constraints. This is the promise of financial freedom, and tiny living can be a powerful catalyst in achieving it. Section 7. Investing your tiny house savings, a step-by-step guide. So, you've embraced tiny living and are ready to start investing your savings. Living in a tiny house can significantly reduce your living expenses, allowing you to save more money than you might have thought possible. But what should you do with those savings? Investing wisely can help you grow your wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Set financial goals. The first step in any investment journey is to clearly define what you want to achieve. Are you looking to retire early, start a new business, or perhaps travel the world? Your goals will shape your investment strategy and help you stay focused. 2. Create a budget. A well-structured budget is essential for managing your finances effectively. It helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back to save more. Track your income and expenses to identify areas for savings and investment. Use budgeting tools or apps to make this process easier and more efficient. Regularly review your budget to ensure you are on track and make adjustments as needed. 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund can provide a financial safety net. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses and be kept in a readily accessible account. This will give you peace of mind and financial stability in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. 4. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt can quickly erode your savings and hinder your financial progress. Prioritize paying down this to free up more money for investing. 5. Start investing. Explore different investment options such as index funds, ETFs, real estate, or starting your own business. Each investment type has its own risks and rewards, so it's important to do your research and choose the options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. 6. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This means investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets to reduce risk and improve potential returns. Diversification is a key principle of successful investing. 7. Seek professional advice. Investing can be complex, and a financial advisor can provide valuable guidance. They can help you create a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage your tiny house savings to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term journey, and staying disciplined and informed is key to your success. With careful planning and smart decisions, you can make the most of your tiny house savings and secure a prosperous future. Section 8. Reimagine your life. Embrace tiny living, unlock financial freedom. The tiny house movement is more than just a trend, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about living and finances. It challenges the notion that bigger is always better and encourages us to find freedom and fulfillment in simplicity. If you're tired of the rat race, burdened by debt, or simply seeking a more intentional and fulfilling life, consider downsizing your living space and upscaling your financial future. Embrace tiny living, unlock financial freedom, and start living the life of your dreams.